Hey, what's up, my YouTube fam? I'm back. This is Lad with Invest and Build Your Credit and Wealth. Here we talk about, finances. We're going to talk about stocks in the stock market, things that I'm just doing with my portfolio, and how I'm growing my wealth and what I'm doing with my money to try to grow my money to be financially free, like most people want to be. So, hey, just coming out here. Listen, I'm not a financial advisor, so the information I'm putting out here, just do your own due diligence, do your own research, make sure it's something that is something you have in your investment strategy that you want to do. And I'm just trying to bring y'all some information and then hopefully help y'all out make decisions on your own financial strategies to put that money back into your pocket. That's the whole thing, man. Filling them pockets, them bags, filling them bags. So that's all we want to do. Next thing, I just want to say thank you for all my new subscribers. Right? I really do appreciate y'all just coming out and hanging out with me and just, subscribing to the channel, hitting the thumbs up, all that other type of stuff. I do appreciate y'all. Definitely. It's been a journey for me, steady, you know, working on, just being a better creator and trying to bring y'all good information and really doing the time and doing the research and understanding what y'all need when y'all coming out here, just bringing out positive information. And that's all I want to do. I just want to come out and bring y'all some positive information. Hopefully it's changed, financing, money, it will change your life. It's changed my life. Credit, understanding credit, know how to leverage credit, know how to use credit to your advantage. All those things change my life. And then investing, understanding money and how you can grow your money, making good decisions, doing some research, all that type of stuff has changed my life. So really, I just want to bring that to y'all. Like, we have to be giving, right? Just give back. And that's, for me, that's all I want to do. Give back, give you the knowledge and things that I'm doing. Because I'm one of them people, I ain't going to do it if it ain't working. Now, I'm not going to force you to do something that I wouldn't even do. Excuse me. So, you know, that's the main thing about this channel right here is just being honest, bringing you sincere and good information, and hope it's something for you. But we want to get in this MP material because I'm just like super bullish on this stock. I believe in this stock. I've done some other videos on this stock, really getting deep and doing technicals on it. The hot things about this stock is government backed. Government's backing with a whole lot of money. It's like 1.8 billion, $1.7 billion. The other great thing is the only company in the Western Hemisphere that mines rare earth materials. They own 15% of the they produce 15% of the world's rare earth material. China produces like 80% of the rare earth materials and process it. So even MP, when they mine it, they actually send it over to China for them to process it. But why is it this? I'm so bullish on this stock, and why should we be investing in this company? Because they want to change that fundamental practice. They do not want to be sending rare earth materials over to China anymore. It's a national defense issues and national defense security issues, right? Just because what this stuff goes in, it goes in all electronic, it goes in battery, it's nickel, it's all type of materials for our national defense. Right. So we don't want to be dependent on China, and anybody that understands what goes on in the world, you don't want to be dependent on China, especially for something that is so vital as rare earth minerals. So I'm bullish on that after reading up on it and seeing, even the government passed a bill. The government passed a bill just to, really help this company get off the feet, right? And be able to produce this stuff in our own country, and we do not have to be dependent on China. That is so important, right? It is definitely so important. But MP has just been on a tear. It has been definitely going. It's up 15% today, a little over 15%. It's broke the market, store opened up at about $30.80. Went up, the day's high was $33.75. And then now, it's after hours trading at $32.62. This, in my prediction on where I think this stock, by the end of next year would be anywhere between $75 to $100 stock. That's just how vital this stuff is. And because a lot of this is definitely needed in EV batteries, and the batteries that's going to go in EVs. Remember, there are tons of automotive companies moving to the EV space. That's tons of batteries. The saturation of batteries and what is going to be demanded with all these materials for the batteries, for the EV cars, all that. The other video I had, the CEO, it really kind of talked a little bit about the company and what its purpose is. You have to understand, what this company is and what it's bringing to the table. Those are the main things that stuck out to me. Now, if the government is going to back you, and the government is going to put in $1.8 billion into making sure that we're not dependent on China for rare earth materials, you have to be thinking about something. Like, if the government's going to back this, can this be successful? Can the company be successful? What kind of leadership do they have? I know some people have negative stuff to talk about. Some other company own this stock, and the company, this is not the same company, not the same people, not the same fundamentals. Everything about this company is changing. And you can see that more and more people are gaining leverage on this company and believing more and more in this company. And I'm one of them people. I definitely believe in it. The volume is steady creeping up. It was around 15 million, 983, 729. That was the volume. So it's tickets on the New York Stock Exchange. If y'all don't know that, the ticker symbol is MP. Keep walking that. Even if you look at how it was trading, it had been trading sideways for a while. So looking at the chart, in July, it kind of went up. And then, not a lot of volume, like, 6 million, not a lot of volume. It dipped down. It got to a point where the volume is only 531,000, and it just traded sideways. And then it started creeping up around September, and then it started trading sideways again. And then around the beginning of November, it dipped. It dipped down. It was trading about $10.95. And then ever since then, it's been catching leverage and going up, breaking resistance. And really, this is a breakout. And then it kind of hovered a little bit at the beginning of December, dipped a little bit, and then now breaking back out again. So, and definitely you'll see this. I got it up here so y'all can see it. But if you look at it, the company is moving in the right direction. The fundamentals are there. I know this stock, it's no doubt in my mind, based on the fundamentals, this stock could be anywhere from a $50 to a $75 stock, probably by the middle of next year, and maybe, anywhere between $75 and $100 stock, maybe by the end of the year. That's the bullish comment, but I would probably say anywhere between $50 and $75 by the end of next year. But I think 2023 is when this stock is really going to take off, because you're going to start seeing EV cars hit in the market. In 2023, you're going to really start seeing EV cars really hitting the market. And I believe that this stock will take off in 2023. More mass productions of EV cars, technology on these EV batteries will continue to advance and be better and better. Range will continue. 2023 is a year I think the stock is really going to take off. I'm a long-term investor, so I am definitely going to be building out my portfolio on this cow. Huge, I'm going to be building this out because I definitely believe that this stock is really going to take off and be something special. So, like I say, do your research. Go out, do your research, understand what's going on, where the potential of this is. There's not a lot of people in this space. This is the only company in the Western Hemisphere. So this is a company even for us as Americans to invest in this company, because I'm telling you, this company has a lot to do with our government and even with our national defense, just because of what this stuff goes in, what this nickel and all the rare earth materials and what it can be used for. So, just check it out. Just do a little research. I've done some other videos on it. If you want to do this, some deep dives, but I just wanted to come on here and talk about this stock. It is a stock that a lot of people are not even talking about. I mean, I even try to get on YouTube and see, get some other perspectives on, some other people that's talking about it. And there's a few other creator YouTube that are talking about it. Some are coming on out, haven't talked a lot about it, really don't know a lot about it, haven't really been investing in it. But so you don't see it. It's not that a hype stock. You get on there. I could pick people and they talk about Neo every single day. Like every day they talk about Neo. Or some of these hype stocks they talk about over and over and over and over again. And then when you're missing out on stocks like this because we're so consumed with one stock, because of its potential, and forgetting there's multiple other stocks out there. They got multiple, potential for us to grow our wealth. And to me, this is one that's a no-brainer that you should definitely be investing. But I'm not a financial advisor, right? I'm just telling. I'm not that man. But I'm telling you, I'm investing in it. I'm upset. I had 90 shares and sold off chasing Tesla. You know what I mean? So I should have never sold those stock. I probably would have been up about 300% if I didn't sell the stock. Even now, I'm up 149%. But I sold 90 when it was at $11 a share. So, but that 2x my money if I'd have just kept it, and it's steady growing. So I just think that this is a stock put on your radar. If you haven't invested in it, maybe you just put it on your radar, see what it continues to do. Do your research. In the comments, tell me what you think. Is this something that you're going to invest in? Is this something that you think is a good investment long term? Or are you going to be somebody, maybe it's a good swing trade, maybe it's a short term, but what are your thoughts on MP material? Is it something you want to invest in or even believe in investing, or have already invested in and have a huge position in it? Talk to me. Tell me what you think. If I'm missing something, tell me what I'm missing. I'm all about absorbing knowledge. I mean, I don't know everything. I do my research, but it could be something I missed, right? So I'm a sponge. I like to absorb information, man. For real, I like to absorb information. Probably sometimes too much information. But tell me what you think about the stock. But anyway, hey, I'm gonna wrap it up right now. Hey, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the thumbs up. Don't leave until you hit the thumbs up, man. And women, don't do it. Don't do it. Just say, I'm going to give this guy a thumbs up. But I appreciate y'all, because all it does is push out the videos. Y'all know the deal, man. I don't even have to explain that to y'all. Y'all know the more likes you get, the more it pushes out your videos, the more people have an opportunity to look at your videos, the more an opportunity for people to subscribe to your channel, the bigger opportunity for you to grow your channel. We already know how that's why it works. I know you know, and I know. But I do appreciate y'all hanging out with me. I appreciate y'all spending some time listening to me talk about MP materials. I appreciate y'all every single day, man. I think y'all great. I love hanging out with y'all, bringing y'all videos, and I'm going to continue to bring out these videos. So I got another video. I'm ready to go ahead and start editing to get it out to y'all. But it's going to be good with some great stocks for 2021. But anyway, don't forget, subscribe to that channel. I know you're getting ready to subscribe to that channel and hit the thumbs up. And I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey, y'all have a blessed day, blessed night, blessed morning, blessed evening, whenever you're watching this video. Thank you.